So these are larval ocean sunfishes. So this is from the genus Ranzania, which is a slender sunfish. It's a little bit smaller, but one of the things that larval sunfish have in common is they look like these little tiny spiky balls. So when they hatch out and in their whole larval stage, they are pretty much round, and then they have spikes, these bony spikes that surround the entire outside of their bodies. This image is a CT scan that was taken of one of our larval Ranzania. And a CT scanning machine is essentially like an X-ray machine, and it reproduces the very dense material that is in a fish in 3 dimensions. So we have these 3-dimensional models that we can use to study anatomy. This is very cool because you can see all of those little spiky parts of its anatomy. You can see the backbone, the beak of the fish. So the image on the left, you're looking at it face on, and the image on the right, you're looking at it sideways. You can see a big black hole where its big eyeball would be. And then towards the back of the fish, there is those little white particles. That's actually the stomach of this individual, and that's the stomach content. So it ate some diatoms, it ate some things that have calcium carbonate shells, and that will show up on a CT scan. So you can actually zoom in and you can look at the stomach contents on these itty bitty teeny tiny larval sunfish.